God damn it, that time of year has finally come where I gotta make this type of video again.
Nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Those are nice pants.
Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Yeah, it's finally come that time of year again. You know, I live in New York, so the temperatures have obviously dropped now. We're down in the 40s as of recording this video. And obviously that's Fahrenheit. So I mean, the past few years that I've been working on this channel, that's all there really is to say when like wintertime comes around, right? Like, you know, I'm not gonna be able to be out on the bike for obvious reasons. That means the channel content might not be like the scheduled every Monday morning kind of deal. And typically we'd be done with that video, right? That's usually like the update video when this time of year comes around. But with all that being said, even though all that is true, this time of year is kind of coming at a perfect time for me, to be honest. And I just want to kind of set the scene for you. I take a lot of pride in my channel, right? I take a lot of pride in my content. I work very hard, very long hours making each video to upload to YouTube. And maybe unbeknownst to you guys, but I've actually been a content creator on YouTube for about 11 or 12 years or so. But this channel, John.com7, actually started back in 2016. So, you know, we're almost 3 years into this channel. And when I started this channel, I had goals and aspirations of where I wanted to be at this point in my life in regards to this channel. And to make a super long story short, I'm just not there. I haven't reached those goals and I haven't reached those aspirations. So why am I telling you this? Like I said just a couple seconds ago, that this time where the winter has come and I'm not able to be out on the bike and make moto vlogging or dual vlogging content, that time couldn't have come sooner, because I think it's time for me to take a little break as far as the every single Monday upload a new video schedule. And I say this with a very heavy heart because I actually enjoy doing this. I obviously enjoy riding. I enjoy making the video and I enjoy sharing the video. But the thing is, I haven't obtained a sustainable audience for me to maintain that schedule. And it really sucks for me to even say that. I mean, if I did have a good sizable audience, it would make sense for me to maintain such a strict schedule, you know what I mean? And it bothers me to say that I might take a little bit of a step back and take a little bit of a break from this schedule, because my whole premise on my channel is, if you're new and you're watching one of my videos and you're not subscribed, you know, one of the incentives is you can go on my channel and see that I do upload a new video every Monday. So you can expect new content every single week, right? That's the idea. But like I said, it just doesn't make sense for me right now because I'm not getting a lot of return. And what do I mean by that? Sustainable growth, okay? Yes, my channel has grown in the past 2.5, 3 years that I've maintained this channel, but nowhere where it needs to be in order for me to continue to maintain my channel this way. Now, with all that being said, I am not killing this channel. I'm not ignoring it. I'm not stopping uploading content to this channel. I'm just putting a brief pause on the every single Monday morning schedule, you know, where I upload a video every single Monday. I'm gonna take a break from that. But that's not to say that I'm not working on new content, because I might be working on a new project for a new channel. So I might have just an entirely different genre of content, because this moto vlogging on the motorcycle kind of thing, as far as like YouTube goes, I'm just not seeing what I need to see. And that's okay, you know? And I wasn't even sure if I wanted to put a video out like this, because like I said, I say it with a heavy heart. I don't want to stop doing videos. It's just, it doesn't make sense for me right now, because the channel just simply hasn't shown me that it is worth putting all the work and effort that I do into it. And please don't get me wrong, I understand that there's a process to this whole YouTube thing, and I get it and I respect it. You know, no channel is born with 1 million subscribers getting 1 million views on every video. I get it, I respect it. But like I said, I had goals and aspirations when I first started this channel, and I just simply haven't reached them. Not for a lack of trying, believe me. I promote on multiple platforms. I even sponsor my posts, so I'm actually spending my own money into promoting my content to get across more eyes. And I don't want you to take this as like a materialistic thing, like, oh dude, you should just do it as a hobby, you know, like don't worry about the views, don't worry about the subscriptions. And yes, that is true to a certain extent. All right, if I'm just gonna do it recreationally, then yeah, that's 100% correct. Just do it as a hobby. If it becomes work, stop. And that's what it's becoming to me, is like work. Even though I enjoy doing it, it's like work. Because like I said, I spend an incredible amount of time on each video, something like 10 hours sometimes, maybe even more. And to see that my channel really isn't growing after putting all this hard work into the channel, like I said, it's just like work now, you know? And I have a job. And with all this being said, it doesn't mean that I'm going radio silent, okay? It just means that I'm not gonna be uploading a new video every single Monday, but I am far more active on Instagram and Facebook than I am on YouTube. So my suggestion would be to head over to Instagram, follow me there, head over to Facebook, like my page, follow me there. And if you already do, sweet, that's awesome, thank you. So after saying all this, letting you know what I'm doing with my channel, I strongly doubt that too many people, if any, are gonna care. But if you do, I just want to give you a special thank you, because if it affects you in any way, I mean, it kind of tells me that you care, and maybe that's what I need, is to see that people actually care about this channel other than me, you know? But anyway, ladies and gentlemen of the interwebs, I know this wasn't like a super long video, but if you did happen to watch the whole thing, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I am John.com, and I guess I can't say that I'll see you next Monday, at least for the time being. So I guess I'll see you in the next video later.
Nice meme.